Hey, what is up, guys? Today we have a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, the one with the 4x4. The problem that I had is whenever I was driving the car and you hit the brakes or if you take a bump, you can hear a grinding noise coming from underneath here. It kind of sounds like static noise, like now I thought it was something with the transmission or maybe with the 4x4, but it turns out to be a really simple fix. I'm going to go underneath the car and I'll show you how to fix it. All right, this is the driver's door. We have to go underneath here. Make sure you put a jack and jack stand for safety. And let me show you underneath here. Hold on. I know I have a big oil leak I have to fix, but okay. Let me put the light on. Okay, so as you can see, that's the cable. Let me zoom in. You can see it was like stripping. That's the cable that's making a noise. I think is rubbing right here. But this, I mean, I'm not really sure how the noise is coming from, but I know that's the cable that's making the noise. So I put a zip tie right there, as you can see, and another one up there. I know this one, it should have, I think it's that clip right there. It goes somewhere, I'm not sure where. But yeah, by putting that zip tie right there and the other one right there in the middle, I don't have that noise anymore. I'm not sure how long will this hold, but so far I've been driving the car. I drove it on the freeway, it drives good. So this was a really simple fix. Try to fix it more professionally. I mean, I'm not sure if this is even the right way to do it, but so far so good, guys. If you find this video helpful, if it helped you in any way, please give a like, comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.